folded edges sharp and clean. A simple wish in fragile sheen. The wind it whispers softly near. Carry my secrets, disappear. High and low they twist, they spin. Paper wings to places I've never been. Paper airplanes flying free, chasing dreams above the sea. Light as whispers lost in the skies. Paper airplanes, endless tries. Scribbled words in ink so blue, a message only meant for you. The breeze it takes what I can't say. My heart unfolds along the way. They dive, they soar, they crash, they climb. A dance of hope through space and time. Some may fall, some fade from view, but every flight begins brand new. Paper airplanes flying free, chasing dreams above the sea. Whispers lost in skies. Paper airplanes, endless tries.